Good morning. Guess what I had today, this morning? I had a nosebleed. I was bleeding from my right side. I think it's because the air is dry. I also need to drink more water because I am biking a lot. And I feel like I caught a cold even though I was wearing my mask. Alright, let's get ready. Yo, done with training today and I got home early. Should have been really 50 or 55 minutes. A lot faster. I got a little bit more used to the roads this time coming back. Google Maps is crazy and Japanese roads are crazy. Got home at around 6:15-ish p.m. I was planning to start a phone line today near the station, but it takes a long time to get to the station and I'm already so tired because after our presentations this morning, we headed over to the bank, opened 2 bank accounts. One of them went smoother, a lot smoother than the other, and that's with somebody helping me translate, who's another AET. Yeah, even though it's smooth, it also took a long time. It took like an hour for one of them, and then the other one took 2 hours. So after that, it was already 5 p.m. and we're like, time to go home. Yeah, I thought there was already somebody on the door, but there's just plastic rattling about. But one of the other teachers, she's gonna drop off an extra futon bedding thing for me. So now I will have the bottom part and the top part. But actually, they're both top parts. But I'm just borrowing it for a couple of months. Yeah, I got the futon. So this is the actual futon, like the bottom part. You got a pillow and a nice blanket. Pretty excited about that, so I can sleep much better tonight. So now, time to get some dinner. Well, I'm back from 7-Eleven. Got some coffee for tomorrow, a hot dog, kamichiki, a bento, lemon sour, and water and barley tea or mugicha. So this is the seafood bento. Boom, looks good. So good. I'm glad that my training is over because it's a 1-hour bike ride and my butt hurts right now. I'm literally butt hurt. This is very interesting. Why is there spaghetti here? I mean, it's good. Just why? What I've been doing to set up my Google Maps so I don't get lost is I have like a little pocket on my backpack. My backpack is in the front and I slip it into the pocket. And so a lot of the times, because there's no suspension, when I hit a bump, which there are a lot of in the roads of Japan, it goes up along with the phone. And it hasn't fallen. Now, there was one time that was a close call, but I caught it. But today, it did fall, like completely just fall, and I was like, no! But now I can say that this case, which is the Unicorn Beetle, it is drop tested at high speeds. A little bit of a scratch, but my phone is fine. Toast to finishing training. Tomorrow is the first day of class. Nana Chiki. Curious about this guy. A massive chicken nugget. It's like tender and juicy at the same time. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. An actual big, frank. Dang. Itadakimasu. Well, that's that for my dinner. Yeah, I'm really contemplating if I should have a gym membership or not. It's pretty expensive in Japan. $80 to like $100 a month. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Something intriguing. So they gave me this. This is from Mito City. Apparently, this board game called Othello originated from Mito. It was devised by a high school student, Goro Hasegawa, who was born in Mito. Mr. Hasegawa thought of the new board game using black and white stones with the Japanese Go. In Othello, the rule is simple: you take the opponent's stone and sandwich with yours. The rules have been changed to form the present Othello game. And this is after the Second World War. Basically, there were, no games to enjoy with friends. I didn't think that was really the origin of it, but every time I think of Othello, I think of the Shakespearean play, The Tragedy of Othello. And turns out that is where it's named from. It was named for William Shakespeare's tragedy, The Tragedy of Othello. Othello is a brave general who is black and his beautiful wife Desdemona is white. Wow. Oh, when Mr. Hasegawa devised Othello, he used paper lids of milk bottles in place of stones, which were easily obtainable at that time. He was alive 1932 to 2016. Wow. Amazing. A bunch of white and black. I have a bunch of sheets of these. Oh, and I actually have a board with Mito-chan on it. That is Mito-chan, the mascot of Mito City. Oh, there's a bunch more stuff. Disaster prevention, Kodokan, Kairakoen. By the way, this character, Mito-chan, her hair, that actually is a little bale of hay. And they put natto or fermented soybeans inside. They let it ferment in there. That is the old way of making natto. And I guess her face is like one big soybean. That's pretty cute. I didn't notice that for a while. This blanket will put you to sleep. Oh, so much softer. Yes. Time to sleep. Good night.